Robin Tyler is one of the organizers of a new website going online today. DecisionDay.org is calling for a nationwide demonstration when the California Supreme Court rules in the latest battle over same-sex marriage.
It's become a much bigger case than about marriage equality. It's now about saving the California Constitution.
Tyler's hoping the demonstration won't be a protest, but a celebration. Tyler and her longtime partner, Diane Olson, have been fighting for marriage equality for years. They were the first same-sex couple to marry in Los Angeles County last year after the California Supreme Court struck down the ban on same-sex marriage. But even after winning that fight, their battle is not over. Now they're trying to overturn Proposition 8.
Everyone thinks that we want something special. We don't want something special. We want something equal. End of conversation. There is not such a thing as a gay driver's license, a gay birth certificate, a gay death certificate. There's not a gay marriage license. We want equal marriage, period.
Tyler is a petitioner in one of 3 lawsuits challenging Prop 8, in which voters approved changing the state constitution to read, "Only marriage between a man and a woman is valid or recognized in California." The suits contend Prop 8 is not an amendment but a revision to the Constitution, and only the legislature has the authority to revise it.
This argument is essentially an attempt to disenfranchise the nearly 7 million people who voted yes on Proposition 8.
Brian Brown is executive director of the National Organization for Marriage, part of a coalition behind Prop 8. Brown says Prop 8 is indeed a valid amendment that legitimately made its way to voters through the state's initiative process.
I'm confident that the courts are not going to destroy this key part of our democratic process.
On Thursday, the state Supreme Court will hear 3 arguments on both sides of the issue. First, is Proposition 8 invalid because it constitutes a revision rather than an amendment of the California Constitution? Second, does Prop 8 violate the separation of powers doctrine under the California Constitution? And third, if Prop 8 is not unconstitutional, what is its effect, if any, on the marriages of same-sex couples performed before it was adopted? Tyler, Olson, and Brown will all be at the state Supreme Court in San Francisco Thursday to hear the arguments. The justices will have 90 days to issue their opinion. Patrick Healy for Today in LA.